Horses out, Daang Bakal, best to begin, running by the release, Johnny Be Good. Boy Harabas, Letter King, Morning Time comes next, then followed over on the outside by Hyper Velocity, rushing up June 3. Third last, Directors Diva, alongside Princess Winnet, and Lord G is the early trailer. We have Johnny Be Good by Hapalang, got the outside, Daang Bakal. Letter King is racing in third. 6 lengths, back in fourth now is June 3. Then down on the inside, Boy Harabas rushing up, Directors Diva, Morning Time, Princess Winnet, Lord G, and Hyper Velocity. Johnny Be Good and Daang Bakal keep on fighting it out for the leader. Letter King remains in third. Directors Diva now in for June 3 and Diva. Then comes Boy Harabas, Lord G, Morning Time, Hyper Velocity, and Princess Winnet with Johnny Be Good. Now Jackie Kelvin Ababo saying, come on, let's go Johnny Be Good. Now by about 6 lengths. Daang Bakal moving up now in third. Directors Diva, June 3. With Johnny Be Good now racing away. Directors Diva now to take second. In June 3, running by the Letter King, Daang Bakal. And entering the finish line, it's all number 7, Johnny Be Good. Directors Diva, June 3, Letter King, Hyper Velocity, Morning Time for your Super 6.
Okay, winning convincingly itong ating entry number 7, the favorite, that is Johnny Be Good. Nirendaan ni Calvin Abobo at masasegundo dyan, numero 1, Director.